Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a recipe for veggie Accra or veggie fritter. So if you guys would like to see how to make this awesome and delicious fritter, keep watching.
So I'm starting with a skillet on medium heat and I'm going in with some oil. Allow the oil to heat and then we'll go in with our aromatics.
So I'm going to go in first with my onions and then some chopped peppers and chopped scallions, or sife as we call it in Trinidad, and we're going to allow that to saute until it's nice and tender. You want the onions to be nice and tender. Now I'm going to go in with some minced garlic, and I like adding the garlic last or after the onions get tender because I don't like the garlic to burn. When it burns, it gets a really bitter taste. Now that the garlic is nice and tender, I'm going to go in with some finely chopped cauliflower. If you want to use broccoli, you can. And I'm also going in with some finely chopped baby portobello mushrooms. You can also use button mushrooms if you like. And we're going to mix this. I'm not going to add any salt just yet. I want everything to start to cook. We don't want to add any salt to the mushrooms yet because it can release water while cooking. So we want to keep it as dry as possible and let it get some color. I'm just going to go in with one red bell pepper, finely chopped. I realize that this does need a little bit of red in it, so hence the reason why I'm adding that in now. So that was just an afterthought while cooking. So mix that in. Let this saute until the mushrooms are tender. Okay, now I'm gonna season this, but I'm using my favorite seasoning, which is this Goya Adobo all-purpose seasoning. If you didn't have this, you can just use some salt and some all-purpose seasoning that you have on hand. Okay, so the liquid in here has dried out. What I'm going to do is take off the stove and I'm going to go in with some chopped baigan or eggplant or melangin. And I'm also going to go in with some chopped Veggie or spinach. And I'm going to mix that in. Now the reason why we didn't cook it in, I personally did not want to cook it in. I just wanted to mix it in at the end like this. So once it's mixed in, we're just going to set this aside and allow it to cool down a little.
So to my flour, I'm going to go in with yeast and baking powder. I like using both. It helps give it a crunchy and soft interior. Now I'm going in with some more of that all-purpose seasoning, or you can use salt, and turmeric powder or saffron powder goes in with some geera. I'm going in with some paprika. Now all we have to do is mix to combine. And once combined, we're going to go in with our cooked vegetables. Look at how much veggies is in this dish. You are so going to trick your children with this. You want to mix that in. And then we're going to go in with lukewarm water to start to bring this together. You want this to be a thick batter consistency, just like when you're making Pholourie. When I'm halfway mixed, I'm going in with some green seasoning. And I'm going to mix that in. I actually forgot, that's why I'm adding it now, but just remember to put in your green seasoning. Mix till this consistency, really nice and thick, and then I want you to cover it and set it aside for 10 minutes. Once it has sits for 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and fry. We're frying these on a medium heat. I have my stove on a 5.5. I dipped my ice cream scoop in some oil so that when I place it in here, it releases really quickly. The ice cream scoop really helps make this dish, making it really easy as your hands do not get dirty. We're going to cook these until they're nice and light golden brown. If you like it darker, fry to how you would like it. Once they're finished, we'll take them out and drain them on some paper towels. Don't they look amazing? I'm going to continue to fry these babies up, and once they're done, I'll show you guys what they look like inside.
So guys, here you have it, my recipe for veggie Accra or veggie fritter. I just want to bite into one so you guys can hear how nice and crispy it is. But let me break into it first and show you guys how it looks on the inside. It's packed with tons of veggies in there, and there's not a lot of flour in this recipe, guys. So let me just dip into my sauce and give it a taste. And I'm using a tamarind sauce, which is already on my channel. Guys, it's nice and crunchy on the outside and pillowy soft on the inside. Look how awesome that looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, leave me your comments down below. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. I post content weekly and I also take requests for recipes. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, I hope you like and share it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!